Good evening, all. Welcome to Chemflix. Okay, so this is our question paper. This question paper you will get in Hindi and English medium. Okay, only Hindi medium and English medium are there. No other mediums are here. Roll number you have to write, name of the candidate you have to write, signature you have to make, and the exam is 2 hours 30 minutes and the maximum mark is 100 mark. Okay, and there is some instructions given here. We can go to the English instructions. So the general instructions to the candidates here, you can see point number 2 is there, how to mark the bubbles, how to enter your answer. Using blue or black ballpoint pen, you have to enter your responses, and this is the proper way of marking a bubble, darkening the circle, okay? And then, okay, as we already discussed, the time is 2.5 hours, and additional 50 minutes should be allowed to Divyang students, that means differently abled students. And about our test booklet, question paper booklet, it comprises of 4 sections. You can see here 4 sections, and here section 1 is Hindi, section 2 is English, and section 3 is mathematics, and section 4 is general science. And for Hindi and English, you can see 15 questions from both, and 15 marks each. 15 marks, 15 questions, 15 marks, 15 questions, 15 marks. And for maths, it is 35 questions, and for general science, it is 35 questions. Total 100 questions are there, 100 marks are there, and there is no negative marking. You can attend, there is no negative marking. And you have to qualify in each section separately. That is the one thing, you have to qualify in each section separately. And we are moving directly to the question paper. We'll see, that is the first section, Hindi, consists of 15 questions. First question, रूप रंग या आकार बताने वाले विशेषणों को क्या कहते हैं? रूप, रंग और आकार, रूप, रंग या आकार बताने वाले विशेषणों को क्या कहते हैं? द करेक्ट आंसर इज गुणवाचक. ओके, गुणवाचक, गुणवाचक. ओके, नीचे एक वाक्य को 4 खंडों में बांट गया है, जिनमें से किसी एक में अशुद्धि है, उसे पहचानिए. 14 प्रश्न मैंने ठीक से नहीं करा. Again I'll repeat, 14 प्रश्न मैंने ठीक से नहीं करा. So in Hindi, kara is not there, kya is there. Okay, so here that is a mistake. Mistake is in fourth. अशुद्धि किस खंड, फोर्थ खंड में है, so that is option D. Now the third question, moving to the third question, ग वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान है. ग वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान है. So actually ग वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान is actually खंड. Okay, खंड. That is the उच्चारण स्थान for ग. So here we are moving to the fourth question. निम्नलिखित अनुच्छेद का पढ़कर प्रश्न संग 4 से 8 तक के लिए सर्वाधिक उपयुक्त उत्तर चुनिए. ओके, जीवन में सफलता पाने के लिए परिश्रम बहुत आवश्यक है. निरंतर श्रम करने वाले व्यक्ति कभी असफल नहीं होता. अभ्यास करते रहने ही मनुष्य का धर्म होना चाहिए. जो लोग बिना श्रम किए सब कुछ प्राप्त कर लेना चाहते हैं, वे आलसी होते हैं. परिश्रमी अपनी मेहनत के बल पर ही बहुत कुछ हासिल कर लेता है. सभी इस संसार में आकर खुशहाल बनते हैं. श्रम का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है, यही मान्यता है. महापुरुषों के जीवन से हमें यही प्रेरणा मिलती है कि मनुष्य को जीवन में श्रम करते रहना चाहिए. जीवन में सुख मांगने या खरीदने से नहीं मिलते, उन्हें प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रयास करना पड़ता है. वस्तुतः श्रम जीवन की मूल्यवान पूंजी है. जीवन रूपी सुनसान जंगल में मेहनत और अभ्यास से जो चाहे अपने लिए मार्ग बना ले. So this is a passage. So how to answer from this passage? लोग कुशाल कहाँ बनते हैं? That is the first question. लोग कुशाल कहाँ बनते हैं? The answer is संसार से. मनुष्य का धर्म है अभ्यास करते रहना. Option C. And then अनमोल के लिए अनुच्छेद में प्रयुक्त शब्द है अनमोल, मूल्यवान. Okay, it is also written in that passage. And moving to the seventh question, श्रम का फल सदैव डैश होता है, मीठा होता है. It's also there. 8. जीवन में परिश्रम आवश्यक है. जीवन में परिश्रम के आवश्यक है सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए. ऑप्शन डी. एंड जब अपराधी किसी गलत काम के लिए अपना दोष न मानकर पूछने वालों को ही दोषी बताता है तो आप किस लोकोक्ति का प्रयोग करेंगे? दैट इज द 9th क्वेश्चन. उल्टा चोर खोतवाल की ठाट. राइट, ऑप्शन सी इज द आंसर. एंड 10th क्वेश्चन इज शुद्धवतनी वाले शब्द को पहचानिए. शुद्धवतनी वाले शब्द. The correct answer is option A, अधिनियम. अधिनियम. Okay, अधिनियम. Then question number 11. वह वाक्य पहचानिए जिसमें चिड़िया का शुद्ध बहुवचन प्रयोग. You know चिड़िया, बहुवचन is चिड़ियाम, right? So चिड़िया, where you can find चिड़ियाम? Option A, चिड़िया गाना गा रही है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. मैं उस मकान में रहता हूँ जिसमें काफी आचार्य जी रहते थे. किस प्रकार का वाक्य है? ओके, मैं उस मकान में रहता हूँ जिसमें काफी आचार्य जी रहते थे. विच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज दिस? मैं उस मकान में. एक्चुअली दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर मिक्स्ड वाक्य. ओके, मिक्स्ड वाक्य. उपयुक्त लोकोक्ति से वाक्य पूरा कीजिए. ओके, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द वाक्य. इतने ऊंचे पद पर पहुंचना डैश नहीं है. इतने ऊंचे पद पर पहुंचना डैश नहीं है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, बाएं हाथ का खेल. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. किस विकल्प में दोनों शब्द वायु के पर्यायवाची है? ऑप्शन ए पावन और अनिल. Then 15 and the last question from the section A, that is Hindi part. नश्वर का विलोमार्थी शब्द है. नश्वर, अनश्वर. Okay, option B. So this is from 15 question we just solved from the Hindi section A, that is Hindi portion. Okay. Now we are moving to the section B, that is English. First question, that is the 16th question. The teacher has taught this lesson. Which of the following option correctly changes the voice of the sentence? Okay, which of the following correctly changes the voice of the sentence? Teacher has taught this lesson. This lesson had been taught by the teacher. Option D. Then 17. Choose the word similar in meaning to the underlined word. As many as 1800 species of birds in the world face the risk of extinction. Extinction means disappearance. Yeah. Option A. The word which is opposite in meaning to generous. Generous means she's very generous. Okay, like liberal, she's very liberal. She is very bountiful. She's very sympathetic. Sympathetic? No, okay, almost. But the opposite in meaning means stingy. Stingy. Okay, option C. Then question number 19. Dash money she had was also spent on medicine. Dash money she had, a little money she had was also spent on medicine. Okay, option B. Then here question number 20. I dash for the Swiss delegation to arrive for over an hour. So I have been waiting for the Swiss delegation to arrive for over an hour. Okay. Question number 21. The actor's latest performance is dash her past one. So the actor's latest performance is superior to her past one. Right. Answer is option C, superior to. Then I asked Sheila, why are you looking so pale today? I asked Sheila, I just want to report. So here I asked Sheila why she was looking so pale that day. Option C is the right answer. And then give one word substitute for the following expression, one who is all powerful. Correct answer is omnipotent. Omnipotent. Then question number 24 to 30 passage based. I'll read out the passage. 10-year-old Everbloom K. Nongrum from Meghalaya was selected for the IZZW National Bravery Award for saving two of his friends from drowning in separate incidents last year. So last year, separate incidents, drowning two of his friends. He is a resident of Mavringnang village in East Khasi district. It is a village. Everbloom, when asked if he felt afraid jumping into the water, said, "No, never. I will not shy away from saving more lives in future if it is in my ability." So the question number 24, Everbloom rescued his friends on the same day last year, on two different days last year, on two different occasions last 2 years, on many occasions last year. Correct answer is option B, right? On two different days last year. Everbloom was given a bravery award for saving two of his friends from drowning. Option B, right answer. Everbloom lives in a village in Meghalaya. Right answer is option C, a village in Meghalaya. Now we have to read the second passage. Ranthambore National Park, one of the largest national wildlife parks of northern India, is situated. Question number Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan. It is one of the dash places to view the majestic Indian tiger in the jungle. Ranthambore used to be a hunting ground for the royal family in the past. Today, it is a major wildlife tourist attraction. Amongst some of its other attractions, dash the imposing 10th century Ranthambore Fort on a hilltop and the Ganesh Mandir temple. Also in the park, it is a lake called Padam Talao Lake. It's known for its abundance of water lilies. That's it. So question number 27 we have to answer. Ranthambore National Park, one of the largest national wildlife parks of northern India, is situated beside answer B, Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan. It is one of the best place to view the majestic Indian tiger in the jungle. Ranthambore used to be a hunting ground for the royal family in the past. Today it is a major wildlife tourist attraction. Among some of its other attractions are, right? Right. 29. Yeah, are. Also in the park is a lake called Padam Talava Lake, which is well known, which is known for its abundance of water lily. So this is the part two, one and part two we completed. I'll make another one video for the part three, that is of 35 questions, and part four, that is of another one 35 questions, and we'll see in the next session.